Hello, good afternoon. Ah, Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, ano daw yung ginawa sa akin sa yung therapy ko. May mga nagtatanong ano daw yung radioactive iodine therapy or RAI. Kung hinarap ba daw ako sa machine or paano ginawa. Okay? Ano ba radioactive therapy? Radioactive iodine therapy is a treatment po that uses a radioactive form of iodine to treat thyroid conditions. It can be used to treat hyperthyroidism or certain types of thyroid cancer or to help diagnose thyroid conditions. Paano nga ba nag-work itong RAI or radioactive iodine? Okay? The thyroid absorbs the radioactive iodine, okay? The radioactive iodine emits rays that destroy thyroid cells. So, ang focus talaga niya, once ininom mo yan, dadaan sa bloodstream, ayun po, ang target niya talaga is yung thyroid cells ko po. The thyroid produces pure hormones. So, yun, yung thyroid hormones ko po is kukunti na lang. Kasi overproduction po yung thyroid hormones ko. So, another for RAI, it is itong RAI, radioactive iodine also, is a nuclear medicine. Nuclear medicine treatment po ito that uses radiation to treat thyroid problems. Okay? Safe daw po ito and effective treatment for hyperthyroidism and some types of the thyroid cancer. Okay? So, yun nga po, like what I have said, the radiation emitted by the iodine slowly kills thyroid cells. Okay? So, kumbaga, this kind of therapy is well tolerated and has a little exposure to the rest of the body. So, tinitreat po nito, yun nga, hyperthyroidism, especially Graves' disease. So, yun po kasi yung sa akin, Graves' disease. Okay? Paano ba ito binibigay? How it's administered? Okay, RAI is given as a pill, liquid or injection. Nung nag-thyroid uptake po ako, liquid po yung ininom ko. Pero itong therapy na to, ang ibinigay po sa akin is a capsule. Nasa bote po siya na maliit. Nandun po yung capsule. Bawal ko po siyang hawakan. So, I was instructed, when I opened the small bottle, diretso po inom. Tapos may hawak akong tubig, I drink the capsule with the water. Yun, ininom ko po siya. Pero closed door po. Nasa loob kami ng maliit na room, then may dalawang radiologist po na nakatingin sa akin, and then parang may cover po sila dito sa neck. Naka-cover po yung neck nila nung nasa harapan ko sila. Tapos ininom ko na po, yun po. Meron ba akong naramdaman? Some people asking me, may naramdaman ako, sabi ko, wala naman. Parang medyo nangati lang yung throat ko saglit, tapos okay na. As in, wala talaga akong na-feel. Ayun po. So, nakakatakot po, no? Isipin mo, ano ba yung radioactive? It's like, it sounds frightening. Pero sabi, safe naman po. Generally, well tolerated treatment po. So, ang target lang talaga niya specifically to permanently destroy the thyroid hormones. So, yun lang po. So far, day 2 ko ngayon. Day 2 po, naka-isolate pa rin ako. And, kasi before ako lumabas ng hospital, I signed a waiver. Waiver, and then I signed also a paper na parang protocol po yun na kailangan ko gawin for 7 days. So, isolate talaga. Like, bawal sa public places, avoid kids 13 years old below, pregnant women. Ayun po. Tapos, don't share the toilet. Tapos, yung mga gamit ko, linen, the pillowcases. So, hindi pwede share sa labahan. So far, gamit ko naman po ngayon lahat. Halos disposable po. Pero hindi ko muna nilalabas. So, I will wait for 4 days before ko ipatapon sa garbage. Para at least, medyo mababa na yung ano niya. Ayun. So, kung may questions pa po, you can message me, then I'll be willing to answer you. Thank you.